What's going on, guys? Stupid Studios T here with Ninja Bacon 57. Say hello.
Hey dudes.
And
it's Bacon Plays MC.
Whatever. And we have dun da da Stupid Studios in.
Thank you for the magnificent intro, T. Hello, everybody. Stupid Studios in here from the Stupid Studios HQ.
You have such a long intro.
Yeah, I know. And we are building the inside. As you can see, we built all the walls.
Yeah. Last time, from my viewers, you guys saw that we made this wall, and I just continued it all the way around, so off camera. So yeah. And also, I think we should show the game that we made while we were gone. If you notice what this looks like. Oh yes.
No phone. Don't go off during recording.
What?
My phone just went off during recording.
Oh, just recording on you?
Why do you have teleport?
The CP toggle me.
Player not found. Oh.
Yeah, we built this.
I've already showed my viewers this. As you guys know, this is Flappy Bird.
Yeah, we made it.
It's pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay, let's go back to spawn.
So this is what spawn would look like, I'm guessing.
I'm not sure.
That's just like the spawn, like where you spawn out.
Let me see something. Okay. And I'm lagging a bit.
You always lag.
I'm getting 30 frames while recording, so that's pretty good on a laptop.
Me too. But it's because I have in my video, my render distance on extreme.
I have mine on 12.
I'm getting like 5 frames per second, 4 frames per second,
Yeah,
3 frames per second.
You're not the recorder of
I'm
the
getting
group.
30. And you're not even recording, Nathan.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just...
Wait a minute, are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh god. Did you just say my name, by the way?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, you've broken the golden rule of Stupid Studios, I'm guessing.
No. We did not see it.
Never speak one's name while recording.
Wait, did I say his name?
Yes.
You didn't say his name.
Yeah, he did. I heard him.
Well, oh well, there's many mistakes. People already know who we are.
You would not believe how many times I had to re-record something just because I accidentally said someone's name.
Yeah. He does it a lot more than we do.
It's just a habit of saying their name.
Yeah, because we say it so much.
Like I say Ninja Bacon, but his name is usually
Yeah, I don't really...
Bacon Plays.
yeah, no one really cares since I took his username or something.
Yeah, people tell me about my username more.
Alright, so this is gonna be like a walkway through here.
Well, I'm just making the outside of the building. I'm going for like the White House feel. And I'm just building pillars. Pillars for the metal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. I do it over here. This is the boring part of the video.
Nathan, are you gonna help us? Dang it! Oh well.
I was still recording.
I don't care. Oh well.
I'm gonna cut that out, probably. Probably not, because...
I'm not cutting anything out.
Yeah, I usually just edit film together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's what I do. I put my intro in there, and then I don't do anything else. Because...
Better edit out you saying my name, but...
That, and by the way, guys, there's a reason why his name's Stupid Studios N.
You mean Z?
5, 6.
Because that was like an accident.
No, a reason why your name's Stupid your Stupid Studio name is Stupid Studios, and
yes, of course, every Stupid Studio has the end of their name there for a reason. Like Ninja Bacon is Stupid Studios I.
For a reason.
Yeah. Red Rum is Stupid Studios T. And I'm N, of course. And every time it's pretty much here's how it works. Every person, of course, has a birth name.
No one cares.
We choose the first initial of their name.
Shut up!
Put it as their Stupid Studios name, and if there's more than one, we usually like put a number after it.
Oh, not time.
Are you done now? Oh, by the way, there's a reason why Ninja's skin isn't Steve. I'm just kidding, Nathan. Don't cry.
What?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Do you honestly say my name again, Trevor? Oh,
Well, they won't know it's your name if you don't say it.
that's it.
Seriously?
Dude,
You're gonna make me
dude,
crash.
that's actually breaking blocks.
Yeah, he made me crash. I'll be right back, guys. Hey, guys, we're back, and sorry for that cut. We had to do stuff. Bacon had to do some
Yeah,
things.
I went to go eat.
And we are back, but this time, only 2 of us, sadly. Nathan, tell him what you're doing.
Ba.
Did he leave?
Really?
Yeah, he left. Okay.
Left. Okay, it's just us two. He's working on an interesting project, he said.
Okay, so are we going to make these walls in between the pillars as courts?
After looking at this, it does, like, me being down here, it doesn't actually look that good. Do you want to move them back?
Move the side ones back?
Yeah. To make a square?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was working on this design during that cut. Yeah. Oh, my dogs are going off. I'll be right back. Yeah, my dogs are going. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My dogs just started to go crazy, but we're back. So, yeah.
And we got these parts done. We made a perfect square.
Yeah.
I think that's perfect.
Yeah,
Nope,
it
that's
just
not
looks
perfect.
better on us, to us.
We're missing a pillar over here.
Oh, yeah, we're missing these pillars. Nope, didn't mean to break that block. Nope, one block right there. Okay, efficiency. Okay, shut up.
Yeah.
Alright, someone's copyrighted.
Well, it's not copyrighted if you don't have the lyrics in it, so. But, so.
But we're not
Are we
going
going to, what is going to be this inside grass right here?
I don't know, I haven't made a design for it yet.
I say we go glowstone with, quartz. Are you doing it?
No, I don't like it.
Yeah, no.
I don't like it.
Alright, hold on, let me get a, axe.
Sorry for the lack of talking.
Yep, because we're, like, kind of trying to concentrate.
Yeah, on designing. So, you want
Hold on.
see. And I'm going to be starting this new thing on my channel called The Question of the Day. Oh, dude.
That looks pretty good.
It looks pretty good for an amateur spawn.
Oh, you're an amateur Minecrafter, so let's go.
Could you please undo it? Thank you. I think I got a design going through.
What's going to be your design?
Yeah. So, guys, out there, what do you want on the server, and what will make you think that you like it, and are you excited for the server to come out? That's what I want to know. So that's going to be the question of the day. So please put your answers in the comments below. And thank you for over 100 subscribers. And if you're from my Instagram, thank you for over 160 followers.
Okay.
Alright, so I think we'll cut back once we get a basic design.
Okay, guys. So this is an update on what it's gonna look like, kind of, and you guys will see the final thing once we come back. All right, guys. I'm back, and I know this isn't the final thing, but you know we're just gonna do this on every single little walkway we have, and let's see how it turns out. See when it's finished.
I'm still recording, by the way. Unless they're like really crappy desktops.
Alright, guys, I'm back, and this is the almost finished project. We just need to do the grass, but look, we finished all of these, all this. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, aerial view. And we thought we were going to have plenty of like room, but after looking how big this building is, it looks like it takes up like 1/20th of the actual size. Like, look.
Yeah, most definitely. It looks like a big, huge plot right in the middle of town.
Yeah. Anyway, but if you didn't know, guys, this server will probably go up. Oh.
Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna ask Ninja what we are going to do with this grass.
Yeah. We'll be back once we figure out a solution. Hey guys, we're back and we did get an idea. We decided to go with glowstone under this white stained glass to give it a sense of variation without there being any variation. So yeah, if you know
we're gonna do this on all of the 4 or all the rest of them, and we are going to be back.
So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay guys, we're back once again, and we did it on all the sides. And so far this spawn looks pretty cool to us. And now it's time to work on the roof.
I was thinking of making it a dome.
I was thinking that too. If I could get the key. Yeah, so we're gonna do it all the way around. Here, like.
Intensive clicking. What'd you do?
I messed up.
Yeah, you messed up a lot. I'm just doing it by hand.
Yeah, I was trying to use world at it. Oop. Actually, that's a good idea. Yeah, put a little bit of this.
Yeah.
Put some blocks around it. There's some stairs around the pillars to give it a sense that it's actually being supported. This is basically all that happens during the cut.
Yeah, pretty much.
We just build extensively.
So if you guys want to see this, tell me in the comments.
And we won't cut as much unless it's something like really big. So this is basically what we do.
Yep.
Give you guys a little bit demo.
Okay. It's pretty good. And we will be back in a moment.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back, and this is the final thing. It looks really good in my opinion. How about you?
Me too. As you can see here, I am doing a cinematic review of what we had. We added some launch pads on the sides to get them to the other end. So if I just go down here, come out of cinematic view, and then just come here, and I just get launched perfectly where they're going to be where the portals are going to be to each world. So with that, I'm at Stupid Studios I, or Bacon Place with them. See here.
And I'm Stupid Studios T, and we're out.
See ya.